Hi there, I'm Watanabe and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to extract a broken bolt in an engine block. So guys, this is the engine I'm working on, and as I was supposed to attach this alternator bracket in the engine block, I stumbled across on a broken bolt right here, and it is very essential that I have to extract it. So guys, in this particular type of job, we'll be needing a welder. Any type of welder will do. A bottle of water, a couple of electrodes, an ordinary type of electrode, lower tensile strength. It is 6013. And also we have here 7018 electrode, which will be using if the ordinary type of electrode won't work. And bolt with a nice head and a wrench. As you can see guys, that the part we are working on is very near the engine number. It is very important that we have to cover to avoid damage to the engine number. We can use some grease there, and we can cover it with some paper. We now proceed to the extraction of the broken bolt, and be sure that you connect the ground cable to the engine block. Avoid connecting it to any moving parts so as to avoid damage to the bearings or other moving stuff. Now guys, there is a slight protrusion. We can now attach the bolt. Okay, weld. You quench it with water. Slowly. We will quench it with water. Now we will slowly turn the bolt. Voila! It's done. I can now attach the alternator bracket. There you go guys, so we are done with the bolt extraction job, and I'm happy about it. And if you have some comments, please write your comments in the comment section below. I love to hear from you. Stay safe and God bless you all. Thank you.